Looky here. What happened, Caroline? What happened to my headlight? Look at my headlight. What happened? We're gonna have to fix that, aren't we, Caroline? Yeah, it's you good girl. We're gonna have to fix that. So as you can see, got a problem with my headlight here. Now, this lens is cloudy, and from the looks of things I could probably polish it. I could also take some of this E6000 glue and glue it back on the housing. I mean, I've done it before. However, from Rock Auto, they're about $25 a piece. So, my goal is just put some new eagle eyes in it, which is what I'm going to do. So, let's see, this is the left, naturally I'm on the right. Yeah. So I got these brand new ones that I plan on installing. Alright, so let's see what's in the box. Like it's Christmas morning. Styrofoam. Wow, so here we go. Brand new headlight for 97 Dodge. Now, let's just see what it takes to get this in. One thing I like to do is I'll look at the new one and see if I can't figure it out. It's already got bulbs in and everything. That's cool. Honestly, for the price of bulbs, it's kind of almost a no-brainer when it comes with bulbs. So anyway, I see I got some centering pins. I got what looks like bolt holes. So that'll give me a pretty good idea of where to look. In the meantime, I'll set this back on the phone and get inside and see what I'm working with. So I'm looking at a new rubber gasket. I can't get the old one off. Removed. That's an adjuster. Right there we got a bolt. This one down here is behind the bumper. That's going to be a bit of a pain. Oh, it's right there. I thought that was going to be a beast to get to. That's not bad. Now when you're working with a mid-90s American vehicle, sometimes it's a shot in the dark to know whether or not you're going to be messing with American or metric stuff. So I really have no idea. Of course, it's a 10mm. And of course I couldn't find, you thought I was going to say 10mm socket, didn't you? No, I couldn't find my 1/4 to 3/8 adapter. Or my 1/4 inch extension. But I eventually did find an adapter. So, not a whole lot of torque on it, which is a good thing. Maybe one day I'll get some metric nut drivers. I think I said that on the channel before. There's two. This one's a little awkward to get to, but it's not too bad. Probably Help if I put a swivel on it, but I'm not. Yep. I got the bolts disconnected. Here we go. None unit's not in particularly bad shape. I'll probably practice on getting the lens cleaned up, glue it back together, keep it for a spare. Like if somebody needs one of these, I might just let them use it. Alright, so here's my new one. I'll make sure I can get this protective film off after the fact. That's good for now. You like it, Nelly? Do you approve? So anyway, get this off a marker light. At this point, screw it back in. Also, while I'm back here, I have to get my old bulb off. But like most halogens, you're not supposed to touch the glass, because I'm going to keep that bulb around. It's still good. As you can hear, dog wants me to play fetch. If you use your left hand, it's not too bad. A left-handed person, this won't be a problem. Fun side note, I had a great uncle that was a true ambidextrous. It was interesting watching him nail something, because he'd start down here, boom, 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 pass the hammer, boom, 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 boom. Wouldn't slow him down a bit. He's like a tug of war toy. Oh good, they're playing with each other. Peel the plastic. Now we don't have a whole lot left. Take the pins out of the old one. Stick them in. Also, I noticed when I was taking the other lens and putting it away, they weren't the original lenses. Now, I say that because this truck's a 97. And they were dated 93. So now I'm just going to bring the flat blade screwdriver down here. Undo the tab on the bulb. Try to get some bulb off. There we go. Like I said, you don't, halogen bulb, you don't touch the glass because the fingers or the oil in your fingers can damage it. So I'm going to set it there. And I'm going to put it in a baggie because there may be a time where I have a blown bulb and I need to use that again. Also, this collar here, I saved to think I have to transfer. It did come on the new ones. So that's nice. And there you go. Driver's side complete. We must test. Take it off the stand. There's the new one. Here's the old one. Now I'm thinking I'm going to see a lot better at night. Let me hit the high beams real quick. Old ones. New ones. Also go video the driver's side just in case I miss some footage on the passengers. If you hear my dogs in the background, excuse me. They're auditioning for WWE right now, so. On this side, we got something another that's grounded. That was a little bit of an interference issue, so I'll go ahead and put that extension back on and kind of crane my hand up under here. I can't help but think that when Chrysler put these on in the factory, the bumper wasn't on the truck yet. I could be wrong. Hang on. That one was half full of water. Let me go in here. Now this being directly behind the battery, it's a little harder to get in and out for the bulbs. Why this side's so much tighter, but it is. Also, I looked at that headlight on this side. It had 1993 date as well, October of '93 to be exact. So between that and some of the other things I've seen, I think this thing may have been a front-end collision. They used a '94 model to fix it. So try to do the headlight from this side too, just because everything involved with the battery. Famous last words, I think I'll go this way. Definitely more difficult. Oh, where has my extension gone? Oh, where can it be? Now let's see if I can. Alright, that's bolted in. I'll have a tiny bit left. Alright, so I got my bulbs replaced. Now I won't see the true effect till nighttime, but just judging from what I've seen, these are bound to be a whole lot safer than what I had been running. And safer not just for me, but for my two labs. Come here, girls. Y'all want to come here? Here, I'll hold your toy up here so everybody on the come here. Everybody sitting at home wants to see y'all. There you go, Caroline. Nellie, come. The yellow lab's actually going to be the shy one this time. Yes, you're a good girl. Good evening. Alright, so now we're riding in the truck with the new headlights. And this is a whole lot better than it was before. I wish I had some footage of what they look like with old lenses to show you, but this is, just trust me, this is a significant improvement. Anyway, this is just riding with the low beams on. Now I'm going to hit the high beams. And that is definitely much better than it was. Not sure how well it's showing up on camera. Just trust me, I I can see a whole lot better now than I could with the old ones. Like I said, I paid $25 per set, so $50. This is certainly a worthwhile investment. Like I said, it came with new bulbs, and I have to look up to see exactly what the bulbs cost, but yeah, I figure that's not all that much more than just replacing the bulbs. So anyway, I appreciate y'all tuning in always. If you could please go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. They do help this channel out an awful lot. Pardon me. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. This is my first time really on the channel doing something specifically on a second gen Dodge. It's been a good truck to me. And as always, I will see you next time. So until then, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of your projects. Have a great day. Be safe, and God bless.